everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Ushabala. So today I create French lace braid hairstyle. So let's get started into the video. First comb your hair that there are no tangles. Okay, next gather your hair into one side. Next take a small section of your front top hair. Okay, in that hair divided into 3 equal parts: front strand, middle strand and back strand. Okay, front strand grows across the middle strand and back strand across the middle strand. Okay, now front strand cross the middle strand and back strand cross the middle strand. Now added some more hair into front strand and cross over the middle strand. Okay, now back strand only cross over the middle strand. Okay, now again front strand added some more hair into front strand and cross the middle strand. Okay, this is the procedure of French lace braid. Okay, that the braid continue till reach your ear. Okay, now braid it normal braid. Okay, normal 3-strand braid. Now take an elastic and fix it at the end of your braid. That the braid, okay, back it and fix a tic-tac pin on your back side of hair. Take another tic-tac pin and cross over the first tic-tac pin. Okay, now come another side of hair. Okay, twist it. Take some hair and twist it and add some more hair and again twist it and add some more hair and again twist it. Okay, and take tic-tac pin, fix it at the back side of your hair. Okay, now the hairstyle was completed. Okay, add more tic-tac pins. There are at any loose. Okay, this is the French lace braid hairstyle. If you like this, please like my video, comment and share my videos and subscribe to my channel, guys. Bye. Keep smiling.